I think I mentioned it before. I was a high school dropout. I never went to college. So when you're a high school dropout and you don't go to college, I grew up, in a bad neighborhood and stuff like that. I didn't have any advantages, and I had a lot of dead-end jobs. Before I got into real estate, a lot of dead-end jobs. So one of them was managing a barbecue restaurant, okay? So at the barbecue restaurant, what would happen is we would cook in the morning, and they would clean in the evening, okay? And then the lunch rush would happen at noon, and the dinner rush would happen at 6, and that never changed, So at no point did I ever say to my team at the, which was a small team, but I never said to the team at the barbecue restaurant, hey, we're going to run today the way real estate agents run their business. We're going to all of a sudden change it, and we're going to clean in the morning and cook in the evening and be out of food for the real lunch. We never did that. Every day has got to look the same, or it's not a business. Every business opens at the same time. They close at the same time. Every business is that way. Oh, except for real estate. Why is that? And that's because you get into real estate, everybody tells you what's possible, and nobody tells you what's expected of you. Well, I'm going to tell you what's expected of you. I would expect you, if you're full-time in real estate, and you can do this, some people have special situations, of course, but every day should look the same. So every day, eat lunch at noon, like the rest of the sane world does. Every day, eat dinner at 5 p.m., okay? Every day, book your listing appointments at 2:30 in the afternoon or 7 p.m. at night. Do your prospecting at 9 a.m., so call from 9 to 2, go to lunch, now you're not hungry and cranky. Hey, I don't have a listing appointment at 2:30. I can go back on the phone and make my calls, or hold open house or whatever you're going to do. Then I'm going to eat dinner at 5. Now I have a 7 p.m. listing appointment. Now I can do 2 listings in one day. If I schedule my listing appointments at like 4 in the afternoon, I can't eat dinner at 5. I can't do one at 2:30. I can't do one at 7. I can only do one in a day. I've cut my income in half. So a little thing like that can make all the difference. If any of the stuff we talk about here in these videos makes any sense whatsoever to you, please call me at 480-385-8810. Let's do a complimentary coaching call. I will not be closing you at the end of that call. You'll be deciding of what we do at Fearless Agent and what you're trying to do in your real estate business, if it's a good fit. If it is, you're going to get rich. If not, we'll help you in some other way we can. But go to fearlessagentpodcast.com, subscribe to that. Go to fearlessagent.com, watch all the free videos there. Subscribe here at fearlessagent.tv. If you happen to be a real estate company owner, or you'd like to be a real estate company owner and recruit producing agents, we can help you with that. Go to fearlessagentrecruiting.com, watch that video. Either way, let's see if we can turn you into a fearless agent. Thanks.